cool! Guys, we made 7 colors of slime and we combined them into rainbow slime. Hi guys, welcome back to Love Kennedy. It's St. Patrick's Day, which means leprechauns, rainbows. That means we're making rainbow slime. There are 7 colors in the rainbow. This one's red, this one's orange, this one's yellow, this one's green, this one's blue, this one's indigo, and this one's violet. The first thing we need is glue. It's the most important ingredient in slime. We need 4 ounces in every single bowl. That's a lot of glue. Then we add 1 tablespoon water and half a teaspoon of baking soda. The baking soda helps it get nice and stretchy, and we stir it all together. I'm gonna use a fork. Forks are just better for slime. Trust me. This is my favorite part, guys. We're adding the color. I'm gonna tell you exactly how many drops, so you can make this at home too. We need 20 drops of red. Look how red it is. This is so cool looking. Orange is red and yellow mixed together. 10 drops of red and 8 drops of yellow. Next is yellow. 20 drops of yellow. 3 down, guys. 4 more to go. Next up is green, guys. 20 drops. Happy St. Patrick's Day, guys. It matches my dress. Blue is next, guys. 20 drops. Next is indigo. It's dark blue. So we do 15 drops of blue and only 4 drops of red. Just 4. You see how it's like a deeper blue, guys? Bowl number 7, the last one. Violet. It's purple and it's also like my best friend's name. Violet is red and blue, pretty close to even. 12 drops of red and then 10 drops of blue. Look guys, all 7 colors. Now we have to activate them. We're gonna use this contact solution to activate them. This is what makes the slime activated. It has boric acid in it, and it reacts with the baking soda. And that's what turns the glue into slime. Science. Look guys, it's like slime now. Sorry, it just got into my fingers. Wow! Guys, can you believe we made this? Okay, let's do blue next. Whoa! Yes, it's slime! It's actual slime! It looks like a rainbow flew up on my hands. Okay, so I'm gonna roll each color into a log and line them up in rainbow order. Red first. Alright, I have all 7 colors. I'm gonna push them gently. Now the moment we all waited for. Ta-da! Look guys, here's my rainbow slime. So cool! I had so much fun making slime with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope you have a girl day. Bye guys! Happy St. Patrick's Day!